In this video, I'll show you exactly how to build a monthly SEO report with visuals. I'll break it down into a quick 3-minute tutorial so you can start creating your reports right away, whether you're tracking your own site's performance or managing reports for clients. Stick around until the end for a special bonus that will help you do this faster and more efficiently, plus an exclusive free trial of the tool I recommend. Let's start by focusing on what you need to include in your monthly SEO report. The first key area is organic traffic. You'll want to include data like total sessions, users, and new users. This gives a clear picture of how well your site is performing in search engines. Most SEO tools like Google Analytics or SEMrush make it easy to pull this data. Next, let's talk about keyword rankings. You want to track how well your target keywords are performing. Create a simple table or chart that compares your current keyword rankings to last month's performance. This will immediately show any progress or dips, and it helps visualize trends over time. You'll also want to note which pages on your site are ranking for these keywords. Now, let's cover backlinks. A strong backlink profile is essential for good SEO. Track the number of backlinks gained over the month and include a visual representation, like a bar chart or graph, showing the increase or decrease. You can get this data from tools like Ahrefs or Moz. Another important section is the site's technical SEO health. Include visuals of any issues found, such as page speed or mobile usability, using a tool like Google Search Console. Create a simple pie chart or graph that shows the number of issues resolved versus unresolved. This visualizes progress and highlights areas for improvement. For the visual aspect of your SEO report, I recommend using graphs, charts, and tables to make the data digestible. Tools like Google Data Studio and Excel can help you generate these visuals easily. Google Data Studio is especially powerful because it integrates directly with Google Analytics and other SEO tools to pull in live data, making it easy to create real-time reports. In addition, make sure your report is clear and concise. Don't overwhelm the reader with too much data, focus on the key metrics that matter most. A high-level summary of your progress will help your audience quickly understand the state of your SEO efforts. The next thing to mention is conversion tracking. You want to show how SEO is impacting your bottom line, whether that's through form submissions, product purchases, or other conversions. Include visuals like conversion rates over time to show the direct impact of your SEO strategy. And now, here's that bonus. I've tested all the popular SEO tools, and in the description below, you'll find an exclusive free trial for the tool I personally recommend. This is available only to my channel viewers, so you can follow along as you create your SEO reports. Key takeaway. When building your monthly SEO report, focus on tracking organic traffic, keyword rankings, backlinks, technical health, and conversions. Use simple, easy to understand visuals like charts and graphs to make the data accessible. Quick revision of what we covered. First, gather data on traffic, keyword rankings, backlinks, and technical issues. Then, create visuals like graphs to make the data easier to understand. Finally, track your conversion rates to show the true impact of your SEO efforts. Before you go, make sure to take advantage of that exclusive free trial link in the description below. It's a great way to follow along and build your SEO reports even faster. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.